How I do it, I say it's God-given. When they say I'm next up, I answer them with God's willing. Never been to Kentucky, but I like the fried chicken. Never seen the derby. My
Kentucky
heart.
Fried Chicken, yeah, bro. The restaurant Kentucky Fried Chicken, I like the. I'm not from Kentucky, bro.
Never been to Kentucky, but I like the fried
Never
chicken.
been to Kentucky, but I like the fried chicken. Yeah.
How I do it, I say it's God.
Yo, he got that hang time too. Shout out to my fellow locker wearer, man.
Been to Kentucky, but I like the fried chicken. Never seen the derby. My horsepower was inside engines. Zoom.
Yeah, the car bars, the Kentucky Derby, the horses. You know what I'm saying? The horses are in the Kentucky Derby. He said the horsepower engine.
My horsepower was inside engines. Zoom. They asked me when the album dropped. Soon. I've been waiting to give y'all the spoon.
Give you the scoop spoon,
but I like
bruh. The inside scoop, but you scoop stuff for the spoon.
They asked me when the album dropped. Soon. I've been waiting to give y'all the spoon. I celebrated, I never hated, so reciprocated. Whenever I tick, boom. The tables turned, I redecorated. Me and
the tables turned, I redecorated. Yo, this dude got bars, bro. He got bars, bro. He got that flow too.
I say it's God-given. When they say I'm next up, I answer them with God's willing. Never been to Kentucky, but I like the fried chicken. Never seen the derby. My horsepower was inside engines.
Zoom.
They asked me when the album dropped.
Soon.
I've been waiting to give y'all the
spoon.
I celebrated, I never hated, so reciprocated. Whenever I tick, boom. The tables turned, I redecorated. Me and the fake, yeah, we segregated. Attention to hate, yeah, I never paid it. You went Churchill downs, meanwhile I elevated. Yeah, my soul will forever shine. The game is forever mine. Woke up forever blind. Never
forever
say,
blind.
Never spit it out. No, never mind. The spirit of fear they tried to inflict was never mine.
Yeah, this dude spitting, bro.
Churchill downs, meanwhile I elevated. Yeah, my soul will forever shine. The game is forever mine. Woke up forever blind. Never
Four
say,
syllables.
Never spit it out. No, never mind. The spirit of fear they tried to inflict was never mine. Attention to hate, yeah, I never paid
spitting,
it.
Bro.
Churchill downs, meanwhile I elevated. Yeah, my soul will forever shine. The game is forever mine. Woke up forever blind. Never say, never spit it out. No, never mind. The spirit of fear they tried to inflict was never mine.
That's crazy, bro. If y'all like that joint, comment, share, sub, show my man love. Tell him Devo sent you. Let me know your favorite bars. He came with the heavy bars in this. Yeah. I feel like the rhyming could have been better, though. That's the only thing. Like, the rhyming could have been even stronger, I feel like. Because, like, what'd he say? God, something, God willing. That was a reach, you know what I'm saying? Like, willing does not really rhyme with the other word that he was saying, but, you know what I'm saying? But outside of that, you know what I'm saying? He came with good multi-syllable rhyming, though. Like, bro. My man can rap, bro. He's talented, you know? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yo, the bars, yo. He said, yeah. He came with the real talk, too. He came with the He said, never say never, you know what I'm saying? Never say never. That's a song, too, by Justin Bieber, Never Say Never, you know what I'm saying?